Hello, viewer. You are welcome to another episode on Easy EduTech TV. We mostly highlight physics and problems concerning physics. Today, we want to start with the topic, which is fundamental quantity. This is a topic that is mostly falsely taken for students while they are in SS1. What is quantity? We have numerous quantities in physics. So a quantity is anything that is measurable and that can be assigned a unit in physics. What do you mean by fundamental quantities? There are fundamental quantities mean quantities whose unit cannot be derived, that is independent of any other quantity. The unit is quantity that stand alone, and they include mass, time, length, then amount of substances, temperature, and the likes. Now, which type of quantity do we have? We have two types of quantity. One is fundamental quantities. Like I've said, fundamental quantities are quantities that stand alone. While we have derived quantities. Derived quantities are quantities that can only be derived by two or more quantities or an addition or multiplication of a singular quantity. So fundamental quantities that we know six main fundamental quantities. So one, two, we know length, two, mass, then three is time, then we know amount of substances, then we know temperature, and so on and so forth. And what are their units? So their units are for the length, it is meter, which is m. For mass, it is kilogram, which is kg. For time, it is seconds, that is x. Amount of substance is mole. While temperature is Kelvin, and the likes. So among these that I have highlighted, the most important ones that are mostly used are these first three: one, two, three. So we also have derived quantities. These are quantities that are derived by a combination of one or two or three of the fundamental quantities, or by multiplication factor of one of the fundamental quantities. And they include volume, volume, which is a meter cube. We have area, which is meter square. So we have pressure, pressure, which is either Newton per meter square, or Pascal. We have velocity, which is meter per second. We have acceleration, which is meter per second square. We have density, which is equals to kg per meter cube, and a host of others. So I want to employ you to recommend, to watch, or you can comment in the comment section for these topics. Thank you.